Hey guys, welcome to Apple Trending. In this video, I am going to show you how to 3D Bitmoji, how to poses on Snapchat not working, not showing on your device. So guys, without wasting the time, let's start the video. Firstly, open the settings app on your phone. Scroll down. As you can see option app management, just tap on it. Search of Snapchat and tap on it. Here you can see appears on screen. Storage usage, tap on it and clear data. Click on clear and back to home and open your Play Store. Snapchat, please update your Snapchat account. I have update and open your Snapchat app. Please log in your account. Type on your username and password and click on login. Turn on, allow. Tap on profile icon, top of the left corner. And click on your gallery icon. Background है you can see appears on screen. Background available working on Snapchat. A side option poses working available in the Snapchat account after new update. That's it. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.